It is every woman's dream to look 10 years younger. Are you using a skincare regimen that can deliver this efficacy? If not, maybe your skincare regimen does not fight aging at the root cause. Then your dream will always remain as dreams. Introducing UPII Total Anti-Aging Skincare, the latest scientific breakthrough in anti-aging by iELKEN, a new generation of high-powered skincare that fight aging at the root cause, at the DNA level. UPII Total Anti-Aging Skincare is designed with advanced technology, genistein S and bioamino complex. Genistein S is an extract from a special species of sakura flower known as Prunus cerulata. This special flower only blooms once in a year during spring and has a lifespan of 7 days. Using a stringent biological process, genistein S is carefully extracted from the sakura flower when it's at its full bloom, where its active ingredient is at the purest state and most energetic level. Genistein S functions as phytoestrogen that penetrate into the dermis cells. Combined with estrogen receptor in the cells, it stimulates DNA transcription in the nucleus. mRNA will then transport to the cytoplasm for production of youth protein and healthy new skin cells. Genistein S has been clinically tested to be at least 150% more powerful and effective in activating the synthesis of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, preventing the formation of wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, and increasing skin moisture. Bioamino complex, on the other hand, is a complex of 16 amino acids. It dramatically increases skin fibroblasts and further strengthens youth protein network. Energizes skin cell function to repair damages and intensely nourishes skin to give you revitalized, firmer, and younger looking skin. iELKEN UPII Total Anti-Aging Skincare is specially developed for Asian skin and is backed by 78 years of advanced skincare R&D expertise. With iELKEN skincare safety commitment, UPII Total Anti-Aging Skincare is gentle on your skin, non-hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. iELKEN UPII stops skin aging at its source.